said housework's no fun?
I think that there is a part loose and I was just testing it.
Yes, of course you were. Why don't you just admit it?
Admit what?
You're as frustrated as I am.
All right, I admit it. These rules are ridiculous. The one thing that we are really good at.
What about these rules are ridiculous?
Oh no! Breaking the rules is too easy. This is a challenge, and we are going to win it.
What? What about... This is the only thing that we're really good at.
Exactly.
Well, I can't even look now?
No. Looking and touching are both off the menu.